Hey guys, welcome back to the RC Guru YouTube channel. Today we're taking our crawler buggy, our moon buggy, and we're throwing a different motor in it today. Alright guys, so you heard the plan. We're going to take our buggy and we're going to put a higher turn, a 35 turn brushed motor in it. Now it has a 27 turn motor in it now and a 9-tooth pinion. It goes a little bit fast, doesn't crawl super well, but we'll put the 35 turn in it from RC 4-wheel drive. It's a crawler type motor. Also, like I said, the higher the turns in a brushed motor, the slower it'll go for you. So anyway, let's get at it. First I have to take off the transmission guard. Right, the reach of this one. There we go. We gotta wiggle our guard out so we can gain access to it. Oh, come on, work with me. This is one of those things, you just have it the right way and it falls right up. Any other way, it's just struggle bus. Okay, there you go. We needed another screw, there it is. 2 screws that we took out of it. We'll put back on the inside. That was also holding the ESC tray, so it can conveniently now come outside of the buggy. As far as its wires will stretch there. There we go. Easy access so we can work on it. Pops right out. Everything's E6000, so it's waterproof. And it's working good. Okay, let's hold this down. Alright, that's not one. No. There's that little dog on. Okay. See a little Allen key anywhere? Silver one? There it is. Okay. Oh, you turn it back to this, you know? There we go, that's started. I'm going to be careful with your motor screws because if you strip them out, it's just a bear. And it's no fun at all. So, take a minute and don't strip them. Whoa. Tight going. that on me. Yeah, there you go. Started anyway. Started to see if this reaches now. Yeah. It's that easy. Oh, day. Okay. Now our motor's soldered, so we're gonna have to warm the soldering gun up. But we want to pull the pinion. We got our 2 little motor screws. So I'll warm the soldering iron up and do a hot swap and then bring these back. Alright guys, I got the soldering iron warmed up, and if you've never seen a motor soldered or unsoldered, we're going to unsolder this one. So there'll be a marking on the motor which side is red and which side is negative, positive, negative, and if there's not, you just flop them. No big deal. So you just heat your solder up with your soldering iron. My head in the way. And then it just falls right off. See that? So same thing with this side. Careful not to burn myself. And that should just fall off. Boom. Just like that. And now we're gonna solder our other motor. See how that's his 27 turn? 35 turn. Crawler series. It's a 3-slot motor. So it has 4 poles instead of 2. Just a lot better all around. Now, yeah, I'm gonna throw this on because it's pretty hard to do, trying to do it on camera. Be right back. Alright, we got our hot swap motor somewhat in. Let's go tighten them up. Get the final screws tightened on. The hardest part, reassembly. I think that's good mesh, pinion mesh. Oh, she got some torque now. And it's skipping. It wasn't tight.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on
This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quit thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. You can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Pinion tip and spur. Adjust it. Good. Nice. A lot of torque here. Sounds different. This is great for the budget build if you did the ticket. And this is great for a budget upgrade because it's just a stock RC 4-wheel drive motor. I think they're $20.99, $19.99, something like that, $20. So you spend a lot of money on your transmission and axles, and your shocks, and your tires, and. Anyway, I gotta slap this back together. And once I do, I'll show you the finished product. Do you want to see me struggling here? Get this last screw on. There's a watch. Tiny screw, just for the cover. Boy, that's in it. Awesome. Just like that. We got a new motor, 35 turn, and our buggy. "3D printed a new diff cover. With my behind the axle setup, all 3D printed. My anti-squat in front, all 3D printed. No problems. Budget buggy, ready for testing. So, test it. We're gonna need a battery and a controller. Be right back. Got a battery. Let's test this sucker. Little bench test. Alright, batteries in. We got a talkative servo. Let's see how slow we can go here. Pretty slow. A little bit of pressure. Yeah, definitely. Definitely a lot better. The steering goes wild. Isn't that wild? And that's it. Guys, thanks for watching. Dog's barking, that means time's over. Like, subscribe, peace.